Learning with Nirav. Today I'm going to share an animal trivia with you. So let's get started. The Turritopsis dorini species of jellyfish is known to be immortal. It reverts back to its child state after having become mature and therefore never dies. However, it is not completely immortal as it still can be eaten by other predators. Second, a snail can sleep for up to 3 years at a time. Snails need moisture to survive, and that is why we mostly see them during the monsoon season. But if the weather conditions are inappropriate, then they can actually sleep up to 3 years. Third, octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of the hearts work exclusively to move blood beyond the animal's gills, while the third keeps circulation flowing for the organs. The organ heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims, explaining the species' penchant for crawling rather than swimming, which exhausts them. 4. Dogs. Sense of smell is about 100,000 times stronger than humans. However, they have only 1/6 of the number of these birds. Scientists guess the dog's sense of smell is somewhere between 10,000 to 100,000 times more than ours. One of the reasons a dog has such better smelling ability than us is the number of scent receptors. For every scent receptor a human has, a dog has about 50. Fifth, animals with smaller bodies and faster metabolism, such as chipmunks and squirrels, see in slow motion. Smaller animals tend to perceive time as if it is passing in slow motion, a new study has shown. This means that they can observe movement on a finer time scale than bigger creatures, allowing them to escape from larger predators. Sixth, the flamingo can only eat when its head is upside down. Because the flamingo must use its beak in an upside down manner, the beak has evolved to reflect this. The flamingo's top beak functions like the bottom beak of most birds, and vice versa. Flamingos are among the very few animals that are able to move their top jaw while eating. Fact number 1. The mantis shrimp has the world's fastest punch. A mantis shrimp is not only a small, aggressive marine crustacean, but it is beautiful and vibrant in color. Creature nicknamed thumb splitter for their notorious striking force. Did you know the mantis shrimp boasts of the world's fastest punch? Traveling at about 50 miles per hour when a shrimp punches its little fist of fury, which of course isn't a fist at all, speeds faster than a .22 caliber bullet. Fact number 2. The world's oldest known breed of domesticated dog dates back to 329 BC. A dog is man's best friend. In fact, the relationship goes way back in history, much beyond what you would expect. As per the Guinness Book of World Records, the oldest known breed of domesticated breed of dogs goes all the way back to 329 BC. The oldest known breed of dogs was called Saluki dogs. There are carvings found in Sumer, which is present-day southern Iraq, which closely represent a Saluki dog, dating back to 7000 BC. Fact number 3. Humpback whales use bubbles to hunt. Do you think the massive size of a whale is the only advantage it has when it comes to hunting in open waters? But humpback whales actually team up to use a bubble net technique in order to catch their prey. Sometimes the whales will swim in an upward spiral and blow bubbles underwater. creating a circular net of bubbles that makes it harder for fish to escape. Fact number 4. Wood frogs can survive freezing. As the wood frog is freezing, its heart continues pumping the protective glucose around its body. But the frog's heart slows and eventually stops. All other organs stop functioning. Frogs can survive all winter like this, undergoing cycles of freezing and thawing. If it gets too cold, though, they will die. Fact number 5. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. According to the scientists, koalas sleep from 18 to 22 hours a day. The koalas' diets require a lot of energy to digest. They eat a variety of eucalyptus leaves and few other related tree species, which is why they have got to nap so much. Fact number 6. Reindeer eyes turn blue in the winter. The eyes of Arctic reindeer change color through the seasons from gold to blue, adapting to extreme changes of light levels in their environment. The change in color impacts how light is reflected through the animal's retina and improves their vision. Fact number 7. Sloths can take up to a month to completely digest a single leaf. The digestive system of a sloth works only once a week, and it can take them up to 30 days to completely digest a single leaf, while we humans take 12 to 48 hours to digest and eliminate waste from food. Fact number 1. Dogs have way fewer taste buds than humans. A dog's sense of taste is much less discriminating than that of humans. In fact, while humans have roughly 9,000 taste buds, dogs have only around 1,700. This means their sense of taste is about 1/6 as powerful as ours. Fact number 2. Zebra stripes act as a natural bug repellent. Scientists finally found out how insects are kept away from zebras. Zebra stripes ward off blood-sucking insects by dazzling them to the point where they are unable to land on the animal's skin, according to a new study. Fact number 3. Zebras have black and white stripes for thermoregulation. Thermoregulation has also been suggested by scientists as the function of zebra stripes. The basic idea is that black stripes would absorb heat in the morning and warm up zebras, whereas white stripes reflect light more and could thus help cool zebras as they graze for hours in the blazing sun. Fact number 4. Sea otters have the thickest fur of any animal. They depend on their dense water-resistant fur to provide insulation. To keep warm, sea otters spend a large portion of their days grooming and conditioning their fur. This traps air and heat next to their skin. Fact number 5. Giant anteaters have a 2-foot-long tongue that can be extended to a length greater than the length of their head. Research has found that giant anteaters can identify the particular species of ant or termite by smell before they rip apart the prey's nest. When feeding, sticky saliva coats the tongue. The 2-foot-long tongue can flick in and out up to 150 times per minute. Fact number 6. Butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors on their feet, and by standing on a leaf, they can taste it to see if their caterpillars can eat it. Most adult butterflies can't bite or chew. They eat mainly liquids like nectar, sap, juices from fruits, and sometimes even fluids from carcasses. So that's it for today's video. With this, we conclude our Animal Trivia Series Season 1. I hope you enjoyed this series. But be sure to smash that like button, share this video with all of your friends, subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you have missed out on any of the animal trivias, you can watch the full playlist. I've linked it down in the description below. Until then, goodbye.